How to connect to Cozmo. First, connect his charger to the power adapter. Then, plug it in. Next, place Cozmo on his charger. You'll know he's turned on when you see the green light. To show Cozmo's Wi-Fi information, you can raise and lower his lift. Head to your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for your Cozmo in the list. You may need to turn your device's Wi-Fi off, then on again to see him in the list. Tap the Cozmo entry and enter the password shown on your Cozmo screen. Remember to use all capitals. Once the connection is established, launch the Cozmo app to begin your experience. Have fun!